In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on Gboard Suggestive Sleep on your device. If you don't have any of those options at the top of your keyboard, you need to access Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then select System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, after tapping on text correction, click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Sleep and make sure that it's enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!